1-4, apply the distributive property. Number 8, use the distributive property to simplify each expression. So we see there is a number in front of the parentheses. There's some stuff on the inside. So we're going to now use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. So the 7 is going to be multiplied to the 1. So that is 7. And then it's going to be multiplied to the 1. Then you have the 7. That's going to be multiplied to the 8n here. Okay. I just bring down the addition symbol. 7 times 1 is 7. Bring down the plus symbol. 7 times 8, that is 56. N. Okay, there you go. 7 plus 56n is the simplest form once you distribute here. All right, next we have a -6 parentheses 9 minus 9x. We have to now distribute. So this is going to be distribute to the 9. It is the -6 is going to be multiplied to the 9. Then understand it's always an addition. So I'm just going to bring down an addition. Okay. The -6 is going to be multiplied to the -9x. So here's the -9x. And then this is the -6 that was being multiplied to it. -6 times 9, that is -54. Okay. Then we have a -6 times a -9. That gets you a positive, okay, positive 54x. These two cannot combine because this is a constant term of -54. And then you have the variable term of 54x. So there you go. That's how it would look like. Let's look at C here. We're going to distribute the 9 to the -n. So we have the -n here. Let's put that in parentheses. The 9 is going to be distributed to it. So it's going to multiply. Bring down the addition symbol. That 9 is going to now be distributed here to that -6, parentheses -6. So 9 times -n becomes -9n. 9 times -6 is -54. -54. Here we for letter D, we have a negative parentheses 3x minus 9. Please understand this is really -1. Okay, it's -1 times the 3. So that is -1 multiply, put that in parentheses, 3x, bring down the addition symbol. Then the -1 is going to be multiplied into the -9, parentheses -9. So -1 times 3x is -3x. -1 times 9 is +9. So there you go. That is what you get after you distribute to simplify each expression.